Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is today's market update for December 10, 2020. So that we will recap to see what the market doing for the whole week here, and then I'll show you what the market is going to do next. So right now, if you look at the yesterday on the market update, we show you this yellow line here at 364.80, 364.38. It used to be a resistance. And today, when the market opened, they slam it down right into that line, and then they hold it up. The buyer step back in and push it back up to above the resistance line here. So this one seems like it's a strong support right now. So tomorrow, if the market be able to open and stay above on the top here, the market will continue to the upside. If not, the market will go sideways until they find more momentum to push it back up. On the shorter time frame, you see that the market they slam right into the blue box here, which is our buy zone. They push it back up and then they go sideways, and then in order to go higher, they have to break through the yellow line here at 367.80 to continue for the upside. Otherwise, we still go sideways here. Okay. And if you look at EMD SB 500 after hour, so this morning market slammed it down right to the buy zone, and then they shoot it back up right into the sell zone. Now they pull back, and then after hour they try to crawl back up. So they need to break through the previous sell zone in order to continue to the upside. Let's see overnight the market be able to do that, or maybe tomorrow. We don't know yet. Let's see how the market is going to show you what they want to do next. And if you are in our live trading room before the market open every day in our expert live trading room, we look at the market and then we can see, and then we already let our member know when the market open at 6:30 Pacific time. So a lot of people that they think the market go down further, they short here. So our member, they know that they wait for that moment because they go into the buy zone. If you are our member, you will know what the buy zone means, because that's what we're teaching, so that people they understand it. So they just wait for that moment to get in and buy it up. So the first 1 hour at the 30 point up, and then they get into the sell zone. That will be $1,500 per 1 ES contract. This is the thing that we do every day in our live trading room. So that's the benefit that our member that be able to follow and make some quick money for daily income, and they done for the day. And after that, the market it just goes sideways, rocking up and down here. So after I get out from my live trading room, I jump in, take a quick trade for myself. I still have some room left for me, so I just jump in and take a quick trade for $1,100, and then put more time on a swing trade for the option and the swing trade to make a bigger profit. So that's what we have. Now let's take a look on the market. As you can see here, a lot of sector like semiconductor, as you can see here, SMS, SMX. Okay, this sector have been run up too fast. So the last couple of days we wanted you to do, the people will take profit. So the people will take a little profit, so they pull back down. But a lot of stocks like AMD, this one we have been highlighted, it's still pretty strong, right? And ALAC, okay, they hit the return, people took the profit, but they tried to hold up there. MXIM, okay, so that's another one, people took the profit, as we told you last 2 days. And the sector, the best sector that we have been mentioned, that a energy sector, as you can see here, is very strong and continue to put to the upside. There's a lot of good stock in this sector that we have been telling you since on a weekly market forecast. You can see that like Chevron, right, ExxonMobil, right, and OXY, okay, and XOP, okay. The whole thing is extremely strong to the upside, as you can see, okay. And a lot of technology software, it still goes sideways, but the momentum is still there, like Apple, okay, it still hold up pretty well here. They try to find a way to break out the resistance there. And APPF, that's another one we show you. They try to find a way to break out to the upside. And if you are belong to our Wall Street Watchlist Premium, you see a lot of stuff that we highlight, and then you can see that they are doing extremely well. As you can see here, okay, the PASG is extremely strong, still to the upside, and a little bit extended, but the momentum is still strong. PANW, that's another one, it's very strong and put it up to the upside. Okay, so right now that's all I have for you this week. So I hope everybody enjoy, and thank you for following me on the YouTube. And then if you would like to learn and understand the financial market, how to understand how to read the chart correctly before you start buying any stock, because I see many of you outside, you just buy without thinking. You don't know what reason you buy, why you buy. That's why a lot of people, they're losing money, because they always buy in the top when the market pull back down, and then they sell for a lot. That's not the way to do. If you want to understand how to trade, how to get in, when to get out, okay, that's very important. That's why you need to have some education to aim yourself so that you can make the right move. Okay, so you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. We have a video there for you to take a look so that you can see how we trade. Hopefully you can learn something, or you can register with our program that you can be teaching and be mentor, and you can attend our live trading room every day so that you have somebody to guide you, so that you be more confident. Because if you stay by yourself, nobody help you out. But if you join our community, every one of us helping others to be success. Okay, that's the way to go in the financial market. All right, so thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you have a good weekend. Stay safe and stay healthy. We see you on the next week market forecast. Take care, everyone.